EUR USD forecast at an inflection points. 3 things to watch analysis http://ntvforex.com News ID 13F38C85 2027 11:23 am EUR USD has bounced back to the middle of the range and now depends on data. US fiscal stimulus talks have made progress, but await a breakthrough. Coronavirus fears and hopes for a vaccine are also playing a tug of war. Wednesday's 4-hour chart is painting a mixed picture. The downside is denied to EUR USD bears but can bulls return to dominate after topping 1.18. The world's most popular currency pair is now at crossroads both fundamentally and technically, and fundamentally. Here are 3 things to watch on a busy day. 1-2 Non-Farm Payrolls hints President Donald Trump said a big number is coming in Friday's jobs report. Investors will be able to shape expectations ahead of July's non-farm payrolls with a double dose of data. ADP's private sector labor market report is set to show an increase of over 1 million jobs last month, a slower rate than in June, yet still positive. It is essential to note that America's largest payroll provider's figures have been off the mark in recent months. CNBSP USADP Employment Change July Preview. Following the high-frequency data, the second crucial release is the ISM Non-Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index, a snapshot of America's immense services sector. The headline figure is projected to remain above 50, indicating expansion, yet the employment component may steal the show. Investors would like to see if hiring has been hit by the resurgence of the virus. ISM's manufacturing PMI beat estimates, yet the miss on the labor market gauge weighed on sentiment. Will this phenomenon repeat itself? CNBSP US Non-Manufacturing PMI July Preview. Second thoughts on the US economy. 2 Fiscal stimulus, far away, so close. Democrats and Republicans have reported progress in agreeing on a new relief package for the economy, but state that an accord may come only next week. The main controversy is about extending the $600 week federal top-up of unemployment benefits, essential for keeping consumption afloat. NBSP The overall package's size may also move markets. Republicans insisted on a cap of $1 trillion while Democrats aim for triple that sum. For investors, the more, the merrier, as any support is welcome in these dire straits. NBSP The US dollar has been on the back foot alongside bond yields. A larger fiscal package indicates more borrowing, and a potential increase in yields, thus lifting the greenback. A small package could send returns on US debt and the dollar down. 3 Coronavirus fears and hopes. America's coronavirus case curve has been showing signs of bending lower and markets want to see that trend confirmed. On the other hand, daily deaths jumped above 1,000 on Monday as the weekend effect faded. Figures for Tuesday may go either way. Hopes come from Novavax, a small Mary Island-based firm that announced promising results in developing a coronavirus vaccine. Subjects developed a high level of neutralizing antibodies while showing few side effects. The firm joins a crowded race for creating immunization. Such announcements have been cheering investors, and further developments are awaited. The dollar may rise with NBSP overall. Euro-dollar's next moves are highly dependent on news on these 3 fronts. EUR USD technical analysis. Momentum on the 4-hour chart has turned to the downside, yet the currency pair is still trading above the 50, 100, and 200 simple moving averages while the relative strength index is balanced. NBSP bulls are in the lead, but bears are creeping back. The daily high of 1.1825 is the initial resistance line, followed by 1.1850, a level that capped EUR USD in 2018. The 2020 peak of January 1909 and 1.20 are next. Support awaits at 1.1780, a temporary cap on the way up, and 1.1730, a swing low last week. Critical support awaits at 1.17, which is a double bottom, followed by 1.1625. CNBSP Hot Summer in Markets. Gold, silver, euro, and dollar volatility explained. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.